My name's August. I'm a photographer. Been a photographer for about 12 years. I actually call myself a life photographer, even though weddings and music are some of my main subjects. But long ago, my teacher, I told him, hey, I want to shoot the birds, the mountains, and he said, hey, the birds aren't going to pay the bills in the beginning. Well, it's far from the beginning. It's time to travel.
I remember like it was yesterday. We didn't have to worry, we just let the music play. Cause we were young and it was easy. Like the summer's always shining.
I'm Billy Morgan. I'm a professional videographer, and I'm really excited about going on this trip. It's been my dream since I was a little kid to travel the world, travel the United States, see the wonders that are out there and meet awesome people. I just love the idea of it. I've gone on some small trips, but it's not like this. 3 months, whew. I'm looking forward to sharing all the beautiful things that we experience with you. Let's do this.
I'm Lacey Valandri of Silver Arrow Art, and I'm really excited to be going on this 3-month journey. It's in my family's blood to have constant wanderlust, and so it's really exciting to be able to explore that more.
It's going by in the blink of an eye. So hard I get a little time just to slow down. And I don't know why. 'Cause yesterday it's all just history.
What's up, everybody? My name is Byron. I'm a carpenter, woodworker, artist. I love traveling. I love dinosaurs. That's why I'm pretty pumped up that I get to go travel out west with a bunch of other cool artists and hunt for some dinosaurs.
The signs sometimes are pointed in the wrong direction, but we still got a